Hey, what's up? Dave from Quarter Flips. How you doing? I'm going to do something this week that I haven't really done since the beginning of the channel, and that is I'm going to try to put out a video every day. I'm going to film every day for the next 7 days, and I'm going to try to release a video every one of those days except Saturday. Saturday is half off day at St. Vincent de Paul thrift stores. That's too big of a day to film and edit and release a video. So what I will do is I will probably film Sunday, release on Sunday, and then the Saturday video will come out sometime in the next week. So seven videos in 7 days filming. Release days will be a little different. 7 videos over the next week and a half or so. But this week, the weekdays, that's kind of the whole point and the whole reason of why I'm doing this. So January is, every year that I've been selling, January has started off very slow in terms of sales. It's been very quiet. I feel like people get going, you know, like the holidays happen, everything comes to a grinding halt. You got New Year's, and then the world starts moving again slowly, picks up speed. And we're halfway through the month now. It's picking up speed a little. Sales have been awful. But if I'm honest, sales have been great compared to other years when I had less stuff for sale. It's all relative to my situation. So yeah, sales could be better. I need to be making more money. So I need to be listing a lot of stuff. So one thing that I'm going to do each of these videos this week is I'm going to get 10 things listed on eBay or Discogs, but probably on eBay this week, and show you those, show that I'm doing it. That's something that has to get done every day to keep things moving. So to start with that, I will show you my empty drafts folder. There it is. In tomorrow's video, I will show the drafts of the eBay auctions that I did today, and then I'll list them and show the empty folder again, and we'll do that each of these videos. So by the end of it, that should be 70 things listed, or 60. I don't know if there will be. Since it won't be in order, I probably won't be doing that for the Saturday video. But who knows, maybe I'll double up on Sunday. I don't know. And there may be there may be more than 10 items depending on how many things I get listed in a day. And there may be less if it's a complicated thing, takes more time and effort to get listed. I've got a bunch of that stuff lying around and I would really like to get it listed. But things that need testing, I might need special packaging. Larger items, I'm getting more of those things right now, and that's going to lead into what I'm going to be talking about next. But basically, it's going to be either 10 items with like easy things like DVDs, CDs, action figures, miniatures, the kind of stuff I sell all the time. Or if it's less than 10, it's going to be over $100 a day at least worth of stuff if it's complicated stuff. Okay, so those are my rules I'm setting for myself on that. So we'll go through that as it happens. I need more space. I don't show my space that I work out of in this house. I mean, I do. You see the corner of the room when I make my videos in the corner with Uma standing next to me. And sometimes I film here, very rarely. Sometimes I show the table in the garage where I lay stuff out. And then I do have an office that I work out of. That's where I do video editing and where most of my personal things in this house are. And that room is a complete cluttered, piled up mess. That's just how things eventually always get for me and always have. Here's a picture of my record label office bedroom in an apartment building on Capitol Hill in the 90s. Yeah, this is what happens. I'm not going to show my current situation. It's embarrassing to me, honestly. I just don't. What ends up happening to me is I feel like I don't have time to clean because that would be time that I could be selling and I don't have enough money. I always feel like if I had enough money, I'd have time to clean. It's not true because I take breaks all the time to like play video games. I play PUBG Mobile. I do little rewards. If you get this done, you can play another round of PUBG Mobile. I could just be cleaning during that time. What kind of life would that be? I don't know. One that apparently I don't want to live or I'm unwilling to. So this week, I am going to get a handle on that office. And the way this came about was over New Year's, I was spending it with a friend who is meticulously organized. And we kind of had an argument, a fun argument about his style of approach to things and mine. And we both made points that were good, and I think his points were better, kind of. I mean, there's no way I'm ever going to be that meticulously organized. But he's right. If I was more organized, I'd have less problems and I could spend more time selling and things would work better for me. I know that's true. I don't think I'm ever going to get to his level. If you're watching this, you know I'm talking about you. But yeah, I am going to use that conversation as some fuel to get my office. I want to get my office to the point where I could show you the whole office in a video and not feel bad about it. And right now I use that office for QUARTERBASH videos, my other channel. By the way, I'm going to be doing some more videos on that channel this year. So if you're not subscribed, I know a lot of you aren't because it has less than half the subscribers of this channel. Pop over there and give me a subscription and we'll do some fun stuff over there too. So I want to be able to show that whole room and have it make some sense, because a lot of my filing for like my DVDs and other things that I sell is in that room. That's where I keep it all. And it would be nice to be able to like show myself picking orders or show how I do it. And I don't want to film in there at any angle other than the table where I do my coins and stuff for QUARTERBASH. So this week's goals are getting things listed on eBay, shipping some stuff. I can't ship today. It's Martin Luther King Day. So post office will be open tomorrow. I'll be packing some things to ship tomorrow. And hopefully I'll have to do that throughout the week. And getting my office together. And the way I'm doing it so that it doesn't drive me crazy is I've made a little layout of my office on a piece of paper. And I've given each section of it a number. And I'm going to create a checklist with those numbers. And as I clean and organize an area, I will check that off. And that sounds dumb, maybe, or like, what's the point? Just go in and clean it. But you need to understand that if just go in and clean it would work for somebody like me, it'd be clean. I need to gamify it in some way in order to make it happen. So that's what's happening. We'll see how these videos work out, but a video every day is going to be a challenge, and I hope I'm up for it. And I hope you're up for watching and coming along. So that's it for today. Simple one. Tomorrow we'll look at listings and we'll talk about something else. Whatever happens to be the thing tomorrow, we'll go over. I'll have a chance to talk about a couple different things as they come up this week. So I know that are on the horizon. So I hope you're there with me. See you tomorrow, maybe. Thanks a lot. Please like and subscribe.